It's time to unbox MyMelody Skullpanda. So pretty. It says Skullpanda MyMelody. So pretty. There's a cardigan. So pretty. It says Skullpanda MyMelody. So cute. I have to now. And now let's remove her. All the parts. Look at her. She's so big. She's bigger than Kuroni. Her ties. Oh, so cute, my melody. Ooh. Like that. So cute, my melody. Black ribbon. The hair. The face. In her ears, it has ribbons. It's the other one with the MyMelody low plastic. Oh, there's stitches. It's leather. Other side is foam. You have the black one again. It's foam also. It's a black star and cute white flower. Pink ribbon. What else? At the back it says MyMelody. MyMelody Sanrio, Skullpanda. And then there it is. The back. Okay. There's a tail. Ganyan. Okay. So there's MyMelody. So cute. So pretty. Oh, the eyes. There.